Little Doy in Haiti, Bruce Lee on the big screen, Jackie Chan inside my dreams.
Dreaming of Shaolin, dreaming of China.
One day I walk there, my young heart would say.
Years went by, America became my home, but the dream kept calling me.
Today I sing for Anhui, for hard-working hands, warm family tables, children laughing in the streets.
Rain on white walls, black tiled roofs, one-main melodies, tea warming your hands.
From the Wye River
to the Yangtze,
from northern plains to one shine in the clouds. Anhui,
this song is for you.
come on.
Mountains in the clouds, rivers in our memories.
No matter where you wander,
Home lives inside your heart.
Africa gave me the guitar sound.
Anhui gave me the Konpa beat,
China gave my child a dream a road.
and we gave this song a hope.
Hey! What I need to every Anhui heart around the world, close your eyes.
New York disappears, Toronto disappears, Melbourne, Singapore.
You hear your family calling,
You smell the food,
you see the old streets. Suddenly,
you're already home.
you're already in Anhui. One shine,
Pines touching the clouds,
old homes,
beside the water,
Shin and River.
carry our memories. Hold the morning sky.
Every city has a melody,
Every village keeps a memory,
and every Anhui heart.
carries home wherever it goes.
Woibe, Suzhou, Fuyang, Suzhou, Manshan, Swanchen, Qizhou, Wangsa. But family, Africa gave me the guitar sound,
Haiti gave me the rhythm,
China gave me the dream.
and we gave me tonight.
For those at home,
For those far away,
for parents remembering,
for children learning their roots.
close your eyes,
One guitar,
one rhythm,
one familiar melody,
and suddenly,
you're home again.
Heavenly Father,
Give me health and strength
to carry the Konpa of my childhood.
across all the provinces of China.
Africa gave me the guitar sound,
Haiti gave me the Konpa beat,
China gave my child a dream a road.
and